sacrificial lamb. You will receive our most sacred body. It begins now.
Oh shit,
When
what's
day
happening?
breaks, you two will join our covenant to share in my holy blessing forever.
Oh,
You said this was chapter 4?
yeah.
Alright, the church. It is not that serious.
Drama king over here. Was he a theater student? I like to think so.
Oh, God. He wish.
Oh my god, the boat's sinking, bro. You gotta move. He just took a little nap? In the
Just
water?
like me.
Like,
Maybe not like me.
oh my
I guess he
god.
just passed out after killing that fish.
Jesus Christ. He's psycho.
Uh,
Okay.
no.
Oh fuck, it's
Condor
Ingrid.
1 to Roost. Do you read me?
Condor 1? You've been radio silent for 3 hours. Are you alright?
Yeah.
This was taking a
I'm
little
fine.
nappy.
Won't let it happen again.
And the church?
I'm still looking for whatever key I need.
Copy that.
Yeah, so there's a
I'm
key.
glad you're okay. Roost out.
Okay. Hold on. I literally can't remember. I keep wanting to hit the wrong buttons to kick.
No worries.
Hold
It'll
on.
give me time to read what it is that you're supposed to do.
Let me look at tutorials. Roost, get me out of here. I don't know
I
where
do-
the fuck we are.
So somewhere in this
Oh.
room is a file about a tattered officer's cap. I don't think it matters. I don't think that you're personally invested in learning about the world, and it doesn't seem like it's necessary.
If I can't care about the characters, can we care about the lore maybe? Let's see.
Does it tell me what room? No. It just tells me that somewhere in the room, so.
Looks very Jesus-y over here. There's nothing to interact with other than, oh, what's this?
Oh, the file. So that's so cool.
Okay. Is that it?
Oh, yeah, that was it. I guess if you go into your setting, or not your settings, but like you've got files somewhere that you can read. Maybe extras, it doesn't matter too much. I don't think we've never once cared about a lore in this video game, and we're not gonna start
I'm not gonna
now.
lie to you. It's not anything, I fear.
That's much funnier. Anyways, so outside, ominous chanting can be heard nearby. Check around the left side of the boathouse for a barrel, as well as a dead end on the right. So.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Sorry. Classic. I forgot
My
how
bad.
tense this made me.
I'm sorry. We're in two, much like Leon and Ingrid, we're in two very different environments. There should be like a red herb, kind of where you're looking, or where you were looking.
Right here?
Somewhere out here in this swampy ass area near a broken fence.
Yeah. Who is? They're like literally whispering in my ear.
Oh, that's good. You can hear the chanting.
That's good. You can hear the chanting.
Yeah, that means we're going in the right direction. Just follow the path, and we'll just kind of keep an eye out for a red herb. I don't remember what you can. I'm sure that you can craft something with that.
It's medicine.
Okay, so do you want it?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I think it's a little further down.
It's getting louder, Bruce.
Yeah, because you're getting closer. There's nothing else on this fucking path? That's crazy. Is this the dead end that they were telling me about? Okay, we're gonna have to walk around the boathouse and go the other way, I guess.
I think it's a little bit creepier because it's in Spanish, so I'm like peripherally hearing it.
You're getting far more meaning, and I'm sitting here like, could be anything.
If they could be speaking Latin on it, I'm trying to block it out. Oh. I have to go, like, physically around this shit. You're right.
Yeah.
Let's run,
You know,
Leon.
they sprint.
What? How do I get around? Or maybe it's this way.
Do we? Is this a game where the map is good? Do we know? No map. Okay.
Yeah. No, yeah.
Um.
Okay, so I think we go this way,
Yeah. Okay.
which
This
I know
is-
that means nothing to you.
It's something.
Oh, there's the red
Oh,
herb.
there's the
Okay.
thing. Okay,
This is
we're
where
headed
we're-
in the right direction.
Okay.
Okay, then continue on by ducking through the tunnels. There will be a tunnel at. Oh, perfect. We're in the tunnel. You'll see a gruesome spectacle of the cult's power. So that'll be nice.
Oh, okay. What's happening? I did like oh.
And
Do
now I
I
think you
have
have
to
to
do
feel that.
Do I really have to? Do I have to?
Yeah. They'll slowly. You can parry them with the knife. A second one's gonna show up.
Brother? Our headshot's not enough? A headshot's not enough?
Not
What's
in this
wrong with
barrel.
you? Oh
What
my
that
god.
took. But there'll be a second one. Or maybe we were just talking about the guy.
He doesn't say shit, he just goes, what the fuck? Like, buddy,
He's just like Dante in
he's-
DMC2.
he's like completely numb to this shit, and then look at him in his fucking coked out ass. He's not. I can't. He's.
What a description. It-
Look at him! Look at him! Look at him! He's not cute!
I-
That's why he turns from the camera! Because he knows damn well! I can't believe that fandom's lied so much to me.
all this does is remind me that my brother is such a big Leon Kennedy fan, and I'm so interested to see why that happened again.
I'm gonna need him to explain himself.
I think he's gonna say that Resident Evil 2 Leon looks better, and I don't know if that's true.
I think if you're
What is
comparing
this
apples
place?
and oranges, it's all for naught. None of this is anything, because, you see, this light-haired anime boy is nothing to my favorite light-haired anime boy, Dante.
Some kind of shrine.
Oh, hey, those freaks with the head problems. You're not currently fighting one. They fucking hate light. So if you got like flash grenades, it'll kill them instantly.
Oh, I have some,
Anyways.
okay.
Altar, church insignia, flanked by two.
Okay, let me just look over here.
Same mark from the church.
Okay.
Okay, so
really
you need to
helpful,
find
Leon.
the thing to
Oh.
find the next one shows you exactly where to start looking. One can be found further in the caves to the west, and another hides in a small cove on the north side of the lake. Now, Erica, do you have like a good internal compass? Like, do you know, like, if you're what direction you're
It's the
facing, if
lake.
it's north or south?
I
East
will
or west?
admit, I don't. No, I don't. I don't think
Okay.
people. I get so confused here because the mountains are all around. I don't
Yeah.
really know. I can't tell.
That's fine. I also
Uh,
straight up cannot figure it out.
Why did you open the map like that? What 2 locations? Wait, Leon.
He
What?
put them on the map. So there's one in west in the cave somewhere. Don't know which way west is. And there's one north of the lake.
There's not even a compass on this map.
Dog, that's even worse, I fear. Why?
I'm just assuming north is up, I guess, so I have to go never eat soggy waffles. So I just continue down this path, I guess.
Yeah.
This path, I guess.
Anyway, it goes to the west. And I wish that they would show me a picture of it, but IGN did not have the time to do that for me. Okay, so you're... I don't know if you found it in the caves, but there should be a key somewhere right here.
Okay. Waste
Nice.
shrine? Okay, okay.
Yep. There's also a request here to pick up eggs if you want to do that.
I mean, I always have time for a request. Okay. Anything to see that beautiful man with his beautiful accent and hear him praise me. Sorry.
Okay.
I don't...
Put 'em... Can I make evil requests like I do in DMC? Or should I
guess it's fair, because, yeah.
Can you put them on screen to join us?
You see, the thing is, this is a different playthrough. There's no icons.
Perfect. Then just put him on screen. We'll put a little... I'll Photoshop it myself, but I'll give him a PS... or a little Xbox controller, and we can make it look like he's gaming.
And doing a better job of it?
I don't know. I'll make him look like Markiplier. I'll get that little setup going.
What the heck? Markiplier?
Well, you know how he has his little his face cam in the corner of the screen somewhere?
Oh my god. My thought was, like, when I was gonna edit these, right? And I'm gonna pause it to tell you it so I don't lose track. My thought was that I would have, like, your icon, but every time you speak, I would swap it out with the, like, the radio walkie-talkie wiggle, you know?
Oh, I like that. That's a lot of work, though.
I mean, it's just copy and pasting the same effect.
Well, I guess, yeah.
Or I would just have you up there on, like, the top right of the screen. And it would just be, like, you lighting up.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not finding it in the fucking caves. I keep walking out. Is this cave bigger than I think? Like, what am I missing?
So I do think that you're on the right path. I think you have to get on a boat.
Wait, it's not in here?
So the map shows where... The map in the cave showed where it was. I think Leon, the reason why he was being weird about it is because he was jotting it down. But I do think we have to follow this path and, like, make our way to...
No, because this is where I just fucking broke that.
Hold on.
Yeah, this is the entrance.
Okay.
You know, I was thinking not to make everything about Dante. I was thinking, you know how Kiryu dances? I think they should add that feature in Devil May Cry.
Then you would never finish the game.
I would, you know, but I would do it after 100 hours.
That's so fair. So, look back at that fucked up cave map.
Over here? This one?
Yeah. I'm assuming those, like, weird red splotches on the bottom left-ish and the top right-ish, those are where you need to go.
Okay, there's no "you are here" marker.
But I think if you continue on the path that you were going outside of the cave, it'll lead you back into the cave, because the next section is called the Large Cave Shrine, and it shows me a picture of Leon on a boat.
Okay, I'm listening. I like that we don't have to worry about our battery going out. 'Cause I don't think I could take that on top of everything else that's happening. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, fuck.
So there are supposedly, whoa, a lot of barrels in the water.
Yeah.
Also, I think the merchant is around here too.
What? Where is he?
I think you literally back at that one of these docks. I truly don't know. Every time I look up, you're in a vastly different spot than I remember.
Okay, you tell me
You
where
must
to go.
remember that it's small on my screen. Can you?
I'll go back to
Oh,
start.
Yeah.
So right here, I guess.
If you go to the left, I believe.
So left. Hold on, I'm gonna get this.
Yeah. And so from here left. Part of me is like tempted to just send you the screenshot I'm looking at. Is this not it? Or is this just where we came from?
This looks fine.
Okay.
Thank you, Roost. Thanks for trying to Bluetooth airdrop me a photo. I appreciate it, Roost.
This would have been way worse if I couldn't see your fucking screen.
Oh wait, we've been
Nigh
here
impossible. Yeah, so your beautiful man should be here. Unless he's not.
I have something I think you like. Welcome. I've got something new for you, mate.
before. Okay. What do you got for me, mate? A
Why
scope?
not try your hand at a new gun, stranger? Might save your life.
A gun, you say? I'll buy anything you tell me to. Except I can't because these are all really expensive. Oh, I think the next thing we do is we get a case upgrade. So I can carry
That
my
would be
shit
nice.
around. Oh, a recipe for a flash grenade? Not be bad. Tune up.
Your weapons are in good hands, mate. I'll see you right.
Increase
A
my
well-tuned
reload
weapon
speed.
can make up for a lack of skill, friend.
You don't have to say that. What am I
Still
using
have
right
some
now?
next time. Buy something, eh?
I'm sorry, sir. How do I... Fuck. How do I... This is what is this? I'm using the SJ09... SG09. And the Punisher is right over here. Of course, I have my big W870, which takes up the most amount of room a thing could fucking take up in my case. I can't combine these resources. Like, it kind of seems fucked. Cool. How do I flippin'... How do I Yes. Like that. Wait, how did I do that? Like this. Then I'll just... I'm sorry, Roost. I know this is
No, you're
nothing.
okay. I told you I had other things that I was looking at. And just taking it time to knock out a sentence or two.
Okay, so I can do this, and then I pull you up. Is this going on? I just really wish these fucking things. Okay. Okay, I have quite some skills. Oh fuck, I forgot about that nasty lady charm we have.
I
Well,
forgot what it does.
I think she... I hope she helps me.
I think he's crossed.
molding a weapon to suit. See how that feels, mate. Fella like yourself should notice the difference right away. Well then, what can I do you for?
Can I sell some shit?
Ruby's all rubbish, it makes no difference. The price, well, that's our choice to make.
Yeah, I've got
Came
nothing.
into some other bits and bobs too, mate.
He doesn't
You
charge
get some bang for your
spinels
buck,
for
I
anything.
guarantee it.
Oh, right.
Anything else I can help you with? Oh, my back is killing me. Yous haven't been kind to us, I suppose.
Yeah, okay. What is an elegant mask? Okay. A large case?
Will
I
that
think
be
I
all
have
then?
the
Come
case.
back anytime.
Yes, sir. Where am I supposed to find a golden egg, by the way, Roost?
Oh, let me open a golden egg.
Yeah,
Oh,
that
for
seems
that
like...
mission?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me go open another tab. Also, be careful. There's a guy somewhere at some point that you'll have to shoot. He's wearing a ugly suit.
Just like Leon.
Egg
But,
hunt.
Tis. So I can... There's something in the water.
It's probably a snake or a barrel.
It's a fish.
Oh, you can eat that. I don't know if that's true. Okay, if you can make it to the east side of the lake, we can get a golden egg.
Okay.
Do I know which way is east? Not
I'm
even
trying
a
to-
little bit.
I got a black bass.
Nice.
Yeah, fishing the way I know how.
With a gun?
I've never shot anything but a BB gun. Which, you know, you can know about me, I guess.
Interesting. It's crazy that we put you out in the field and I'm just now hearing that you've only used a BB gun.
Yeah, the thing is, my dad was behind me at my shoulder telling me to shoot a bird, and you know, that's just how it is with fathers. And I did
And
hit
that's
a
the
bird.
training. And that's the training you got before we sent you out here.
Puedes correr, pero no te puedes esconder.
Yeah, that's the training I got.
I think it's crazy that that guy didn't see you.
I'm
But
not
also,
gonna look at gift horse on the mouse. What was
I
it
don't even know
again?
if that's the guy I was looking for.
Oh fuck! Okay.
Me and Peak.
I can't shoot it in his hand. There you go. I've been wanting to shoot it in their hand for a long time. I'm sure you
Okay.
do. Where are
You're
you?
gonna meet your oh, that's the weird guy that I was looking for. You're
I can't. I'm stuck on something.
at some point. So I do think you need to go back from the direction that you were going. And then there should be a fork in the road at some point. You want to go left.
Okay.
No, this doesn't make sense. This is just where we were. I don't know.
We were
We'll-
left.
We'll give it a shot, and if this doesn't seem... Yep, okay. We'll go... Oops!
Amazing. Okay, and I got scared, and that's...
I think that's normal and fine.
Okay, and I can't hit you for whatever reason. Finish him. Don't you dare turn. So you
I
said
guess
go
you
for
have
it.
to... Yeah, go back that path that you were going. I made you turn around for no reason, I guess.
Oh, fuck. And I just stepped in that shit.
Ain't that the way?
Well, maybe this is more left?
No, so... When you're on your way back, you're gonna come through this door.
Oh,
You
okay.
do need to go around the other way.
He did whisper it won't open. Which is a very helpful observation for him to make. Because I would have stood there clicking. You know me.
You have clicking.
God,
Clicker.
something's moving.
It's me.
Haha! Okay.
So, at some point you'll be chased.
I'm guessing I have to
You'll
go
want to
up.
remember that door. Yeah.
I'll want to remember to drop down. Oh my god. Well, that's... Okay, that was a mistake. I was probably too close. Okay, hey, buddy.
Okay.
Whoa. I actually do need to heal. How do I... Fuck. Which one's... How do I... Just don't mind me, I'm just crafting.
No, you're okay. I'm changing my setup different so I can have a couple of different tabs going.
Oh, yeah, I can eat this fish. Yeah.
Oh, you can?
I
See?
just did.
I knew it. So this can be smaller. And this will be bigger.
Oh, crap. That's not...
You can use a flash grenade if you need to. I recommend it.
Yeah, I'll do it right in front of me. Come on, be real,
Yeah.
be real.
Blind yourself.
How do I... Can you back off, bro? I'm
I'm so sorry. I'm like frantically trying to scroll back through the fucking walkthrough because I lost my place.
He goes, next. Don't act cool, Leon. We are kind of going not good. What's this?
No clue.
Whoa, it's a puzzle. Oh, shit.
A puzzle!
Oh. God. No. No.
Let me take. So, so Erica, there was yellow graffiti on the walls earlier.
You want me to look at the wall?
Do you want me to? Do you want me to
will
just?
go back. Oh shit! There's multiple graffitis.
Yeah, there. I think there's like 3 of them.
Oh my god. I climbed up here and it's I don't know, these 2 half moons looking at each other, I guess. And then it's this one, which is the hourglass. And the I get crown, I guess.
Yeah, and
half
then there's
moons.
one more.
Yeah, we're gonna guess it. Half moon. Can I not select this? They won't let me select it. Okay, half moon, the crown, and the hourglass, and then Nope.
Al-
I,
Also,
shut
also,
up, shut up,
also.
shut up. Oh, I don't need it. It's this one? No. I don't need to look at the last one, clearly. It's this one. What? Does the order matter?
I'm trying to read about that real quick.
Fuck, it's right here. I don't actually. It looks like
Yes,
a.
I do think order
moaning-
matters.
Okay.
That one first.
The moan?
The moan first. I don't know what about this feels like moaning, but yeah.
Puzzle. This isn't even really a puzzle. It's. Help! This one, and then. I guess
And then it's
this
gonna
one.
be yes, and then
And
that.
then this one. God. All
You
this
did
all this for head, and why is it bleeding?
All this for head. You gotta. Oh, that's the thing that we were looking for.
Yeah. Jesus Christ.
So the guys are gonna try to get you on your way back to the boat. So be ready.
Do I drop down here?
Oh yeah, I think that's where that door was.
Who's moaning in my ear? Shut the fuck up.
Surely not Leon.
Not Leon. I wish.
Coming.
I can hear someone behind me. Oh, this is a dead end. What the heck?
When the camera is fighting you.
Can you fuck off? I can't possibly be getting set on fire.
I do. There's some. Oh, so this is where you want to go left because the door won't open. That's my bad. Just kidding. The door can open. Go to the boat.
Ugh. Okay. Oh crap, where's the boat? Crap! Oh shit, where is it?
Where is it?
Oh, it's over there. It was right there. That's fine. Get off my back, you old farts! Nobody needs your shit.
Alright, and we're just gonna rip on the boat until we're out of the cave system. We gotta. There's gotta be a different way to be out of here. What? Actually, let me read. Small cave train. Now you're back in the main lake. Make sure you break some barrels, some small treasure on the shore.
Oh shit, hold on, I missed one. No.
Oh, the main lake. Perfect.
And now where do I go?
If we go east, we should be able to find like a chicken pen.
Okay. I'm gonna be so real with you.
I don't know what east is.
I don't know. I don't know her.
Assuming that your cursor is a compass, because that's what she looks like most, right? Never. So you're gonna go.
Straight ahead to this middle island?
I guess. In Colorado, is it easier to tell because you've got like some sort of like visual waypoint?
You know, I could sit here and lie to you and say that I cared about that sort of thing. But yeah, it was easier. But did I ever learn it? No. Hold on. What the hell? My controllers.
What are you doing?
I'm not touching it.
Oh,
I'm not touching it.
oh.
I can't
You
even
got
pause
hit.
it. Oh my god.
Take those batteries out.
Jesus Christ. Hold on. Really? After I've gone and repaired this damn controller several times. Ugh, Jesus. Okay, we're back.
Alright.
I guess these barrels would maybe indicate where I need to go.
Yes, and the east side is like purely for that side quest. I don't
So
know
it's
if the
the
barrels will
opposite.
take place. In theory, you know, don't quote me on it. It should just be easy and out in the open to get to. So I don't know if that cave is it.
There's a shield up there. You sure we don't need to get there?
Maybe later.
Okay, let's just do a little perimeter check, you know?
Love a perimeter.
This... Oh, there's
that
chickens.
seems like...
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. You can find eggs, and then they're unclear if you have to wait for it to randomly spawn, or if it'll be here. But maybe a golden egg over here somewhere.
Well, I'll never say no to some eggs, you know? So right here. Oh, some... whatever that is.
Velvet
Look at them.
blue.
I feel so bad. They're in the rain. They ain't got any... Oh, here's the egg.
I'll be taking
Alright.
this.
Oh, to the chickens?
I'm glad that he respects them enough to say something.
I'll be taking this. Oh, I scared her egg out of her. Look at them. They don't
Sorry,
like that I'm
Queen.
here. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Remember when you wanted me to kill them?
Yeah. That's a big fish.
Yeah,
wanna
and I'm
taste
sure
you
it'll
off.
be really tasty. Large. Oh, fuck. I'm not gonna use this. This is a flash grenade, and I'm using actual hand grenades. Oh, man. Okay. I... Oh!
It's alright, we have room for the next fish. So you remember where that, actually, if you go wherever we just were, where you're like, there's a shield. You remember that?
Over here, yeah.
There should be
Can I
like
go
a
in?
dock here, right?
Maybe if I were to... Go in.
Voting yeah, as long as you end up in some sort of... Yeah! I think this should lead into a castle. Keep your eyes out, because we'll have more of those, graffiti puzzles.
That one there. Okay, I see. It's, It's an I guess.
There's I'm gonna say right off the rip, you gotta get closer because there's more to it.
There's a noose, yeah. Oh, fuck.
I guess
Should
we'll
I
cross.
be here, or do I...
Yeah.
Should I handle this quest really quick? Nah, I'll see him. There's the squigglies. Cool.
The squiggly.
I'll just go up here. Don't mind if I do. Squiggly. Oh, I wonder if that's anything. Gee. And then the sideways tongue, the sideways smiley face with a tongue. And the trifecta. That's 3.
Yeah.
Let's just drop down. I wish he'd use the ladder. His fucking knees. Like,
He's
I
too
don't
much
know.
of a man to use a ladder.
I guess like that. This one, and then this smiley face, and then the trifecta. Can I? Oh, it's you. Okay.
Are you?
Ugh.
There's rifle ammo in here somewhere, and there's also a hexagon PC somewhere.
A hexagon piece? Okay, probably up this ladder.
Oh yeah, this is a treasure. Treasure.
A ruby. Perfect. You know what I'm gonna do with this ruby?
Sell it.
Oh fuck, I can't. I need a square. Yeah, I need a rectangle.
Mm. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not setting you up for the most success because it would require a lot of weird backtracking that I just don't think would be good for us to do. But we should be able to head towards the church, whatever that means. Should be some sort of gate. Where is this? Oh, if you look on your map, there should be a church insignia. Is that anywhere?
What is the church insignia?
I don't know. I was hoping if I said it, it would mean something to you.